Hey, it's Trey with Daddy Mojo, and let's talk board books. This series of books is incredibly well made. We've got the first one, it was the ABC block. It was released in 2013. We still have it, and it's still in great condition. The other thing you'll notice when you open it up, the pages are very artistically cut, so it's not a stereotypical board book, and some pages rhyme, some pages don't. So there's a lot of stuff to engage your young reader as young as 2, maybe even younger, because it is a board book. It's really going to fit with that demographic. And parents will also appreciate it because there are some really cool tools that are highlighted, like this burrow machine that goes under the streets, and this one goes down. Check that out. And look, there's even a dinosaur down there. BuildaBlock is a great book for young readers. It's a fabulous successor in the entry of the books from Peskimo. Retails for $17, but it's one of those books that you will have in your child's library for a really long time. It's Trey with Daddy Mojo. Thanks for watching.